Hey guys, how's it going? It's Ezra Hansen here. So this is kind of a wee bit of a random video, couple of things in here. I've got a package in the mail, so I'm going to open that. I'm going to do an EDC update, but first I'm going to talk about a Facebook group that I started. It's called Pocket Knives NZ. Been looking for a collector group that's New Zealand based, that's about like pocket knives in a general sense. It's not about a brand of knife or anything. So if you're into tactical knives or traditional knives or work knives, just anything at all, then you're welcome in the group. It's a trading group, so if you're interested in that. If you're overseas, you're also absolutely welcome. If if you see this and you want to come have a look, so link in the description for that. Alright, so next thing, a wee bit of an EDC update. Today my EDC is a buck trapper. You guys saw that in the unboxing. I'm carrying a Swiss Champ. I've never actually carried this before, so that's been interesting. Carrying it in a sheath on my belt. Also in another sheath is this wee lead lenser. And then I've been carrying this rechargeable lighter from Dude Approved Gear, which a review is coming up on that. Alright, so I'm going to open up this package. I bought this off a member of the Facebook group. So I've got a couple of knives in here. So this is the CRKT Lake. So I've sort of been looking for a modern, sort of a gentleman's knife, so I'm having a go at the lake. And also here, this is a buck. I forgot the name of it. Slightly annoying. Okay, so this is some sort of a buck. Can't remember the name. So these are both quite nice knives. Alright, so just a wee bit of an unboxing and an EDC update. Let me know if you like the videos like this. Link in the description for the Facebook group. Alright, we'll see you next time.